Imagine losing hundreds of hours of game saves and your entire library because of a sudden system failure or a corrupted update. Do not let a hardware crash wipe out your digital life when a proper backup takes just a few minutes. Welcome back to TechVibes. Today, I am giving you the ultimate 10-step guide to backing up and restoring your PS5 like a professional. Hardware failures and software bugs happen to everyone eventually. If you do not have a local backup, your custom settings, screenshots, and save data could be gone forever. Step 1. Prepare a compatible USB drive. Use a high-speed external drive with enough capacity to hold your entire system data. Format it to exFAT or FAT32 on a computer first. Step 2. Connect the drive to the back of the console. The rear USB ports offer much higher data transfer speeds than the front port. This will save you a lot of time during the backup process. Step 3. Navigate to the backup menu. Go to your system settings, select System Software, and choose Backup and Restore. This is the command center for protecting your data. Step 4. Select your data types. You can choose to back up everything or just specific items like games, apps, and save data. If you are short on time, prioritize your save data and system settings. Step 5. Start the backup. The PS5 will calculate the file size and then restart to begin the process. Do not touch the power button or the HDMI 2.1 cable while the progress bar is moving. Step 6. Store your backup drive safely. Once it is finished, label the drive and keep it in a cool, dry place. A backup is only useful if the drive actually works when you need it. Step 7. Prepare for a restore. If you get a new console or have to factory reset, plug that same USB drive into the rear port of the refresh system. Step 8. Trigger the restoration. Go back into the backup and restore menu under System Software and select Restore PS5. Select your backup file from the list. Step 9. Confirm the overwrite. Your PS5 will warn you that all current data on the console will be deleted to make room for the backup. Select Yes to begin the data injection. Step 10. Resync your licenses. After the console restarts and the restore is complete, go to your account settings and select Restore Licenses. This ensures all your digital games are ready to play immediately. Here's a bonus pro tip. Enable auto-upload for your save data if you have PlayStation Plus. This creates a secondary cloud backup for your game progress that works even if your physical USB drive fails. If you face any difficulty during the backup or restore process, please leave a comment below. I am watching the thread and I will reply to your questions within 1 hour. If this guide gave you peace of mind, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your data is officially safe and I will see you in the next one.